We have been listening. The team at the shop has taken the feedback and has been working with tuners to make improvements to the kit. Injectors have been the sticky point with the kit, with the Jag 4.0 system stuck with old Denso side feed injectors. Tuning data isn't available and they're expensive when new. Bosch Green Giants are available new and loved by tuners, with technical data readily available and more than enough flow for this project. R&D has been in process to adapt the new injectors to the assembly, with the option to include new injectors with the kit. Development has gone through multiple iterations, and 3D printed samples have been made to check fit-up and clearance. Using CAD data, we can project the injector spray pattern, and it can be optimized within the design. The printed manifolds are fit on the core motor assembly for exact fit. You can also see the compact clearance that is checked under the intercoolers with the new injectors and rail. CNC cut 6061 aluminum samples are in queue and testing should be started within a few weeks. Availability is subject after that. Subscribe for updates to the PartSpy channel and contact us for advanced purchasing details.